Happy New Year from Japan. Nag-snowboarding lessons ako. Eto na!
Saan ka punta?
To the moon.
moon.
Tapos, yan, tumatawa na si Madam kasi lakas ng baksak ko eh. Kumuha ko ng one-on-one lesson. Yung snowboarding lesson, the first lesson is how to stand on the board. Pagtayo pa lang, karamihan daw ng tao, pagtayo pa lang, hirap na daw. So, yung unang attempt ko ng pagtayo, nakatayo ka agad ako. So, teaching how to stand. Kita niya, kaya ko na dumiretso. Sabi niya, tuturuan naman kitang kung paanong kumanan. So, yun yung pre-practice namin, kung paano kumanan. So, ganun pa rin. Every time kakanan ako, tapos merong tao na haharang, itutumba ko na naman yung sarili ko. So, natuto na ako ng pakanan, pakaliwa naman. So, mas mabilis ko nakuha yung pakaliwa. Tutunan ko na yung pakanan, pakaliwa, tas yung huminto nung binababa yung paa. So okay na ako. Sabi niya, dito naman tayo sa taas nung slope. Both feet on the board, naka-strap. Tapos tuturuan kita kung paano bumaba ng paabante at paano bumaba ng paatras. In the video, you will see that finally, naka two clean rounds ako, So masaya ako kasi nasa bucket list ko yung mag-snowboard. So, ano yung lessons, I learned that, you're never too old, to try something new, or you're never too old to learn something new. Kasi at the age of 55, I was able to successfully learn how to snowboard. That's one. Number two, sabi sa akin nung instructor ko na 21 years old, sabi niya, what's stopping people from learning is the fear of hitting somebody or the fear of falling. Wala akong fear of falling kasi kailangan naman talaga natin bumaksak para matuto tayo, So it's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you stand up. Don't be afraid, That's a second lesson. Kung takot ka, wala ka ma-achieve, So that's the lesson for me. So I think it's a great, and to end the year na ang raming pinagdaanan ni Ifern, natalisod tayo, nadapa tayo, pero bangon tayo ng bangon. Kaya lahat ng mga challenges, kaya natin siyang i-conquer. I'm just happy, I'm very happy that we ended the year on a high note. I learned something new and I know marami naghahabol today ng last minute sales, Tuloy-tuloy lang kayo, Ang negosyo po natin palakas ng palakas. I think consistent naman, yung tinuturo namin kung ano yung buhay namin, yun din yung gusto namin na maging buhay ninyo. Siyempre, we all need to continue fighting, continue growing, kasi siyempre kung maliit pa yung negosyo ninyo, magpalaki muna. You need to understand. So 41 na si Madam, 55 na ako. So siyempre, we've been growing businesses continually for many years, kaya ganito yung buhay namin. So kayo, ilang taon pa lang kayo sa Ifern, wag ninyo expect na ma-compare ninyo yung sarili ninyo sa amin kasi syempre malayo yung pinagmulan ninyo. Ako, lolo't lola ko, negosyante, nanay tatay ko, negosyante. Yung sa inyo, lolo't lola, nanay tatay, empleyado. Syempre, hindi ganun kabilis na magawa ninyo yung nagawa na namin. So, pero at least nandito kami para turuan kayo. So, this is your President Tomani Tan and your First Lady, Mama Dan Kim, signing off and saying Happy New Year to all of you. Happy New Year to all of you. We look forward to seeing you again in 2024. Kita-kita tayo sa Manila. As I always say, the momentum for 2024 starts in 2023. So end 2023 on a high note. Tandaan ninyo ang lahat ng nagawa ninyo sa buhay, kayo ang gumawa, hindi kalendaryo ang gumawa. Walang kinalaman ang pagpalit ng petsa, pagpalit ng taon sa swerte nino man. It's all about the effort that you put in every day. Continue working, continue fighting. This is your President Tomani Tan. I love you, work hard, and I will see you at the top. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!